walking.
I just stepped in something. I hope it was an olive, but it feels very moist and squishy.
Gross.
Ew.
Bobby, will you come around here and do
Dude,
this?
do that
Or let
knife.
Aunt Jenny do it. What did I step in?
Brian.
This knife has
Dull
no.
knife.
It's dull as hell. She's a Pete.
Like you
I only
said.
use it for opening packages.
Where
Yeah.
it's useless.
Exactly. That's no purpose whatsoever.
Brian gave me that quite a few years
Julie,
ago.
it's Julie, one of my favorite ones.
What
It's Julie.
It's
No,
a,
no,
it's a-
oh, that is, yeah.
I can't get it out. It's
Just put-
dumb. Ooh, here's Laney. It's Laney. They put it in a box that's the size of the thing.
That's the make your own name.
You make your own doll.
It's an American doll. Yeah, and it's the one that I wanted.
Does she have a?
Yeah, she has a necklace like it said.
Probably tied.
Look at Anna's doll. Did you see it?
It'll take an hour to get it out of
Come
the
here,
box.
look at it.
No, I saw.
You have to turn the box over